He says that the upcoming polls will be Agni Pariksha for him. Let's go across to the national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, joining us on the broadcast. Shehzad, Arvind Kejriwal, speaking to his supporters, says he's a Kattar Imandar and he will give the proof. He says the next polls will be an Agni Pariksha for him.
Well, this was already said during the Lok Sabha elections, jail ka badla vote se do, and the people have already given him a pariksha by giving him 0 seats out of 7. So therefore, once they have already failed in a pariksha, now he's calling Vidhan Sabha as Agni Pariksha. The fact of the matter is that Kejriwal has not got relief. He's the first CM in the history of the world that stayed as CM for 150 days inside Tihar jail. He's the first CM in the history of the world that is shamelessly did not resign after being put in jail. He has come out with such stringent conditions that are given usually for murderers and very, very serious accused when they are given some kind of a bail. So those kinds of conditions have been put. So ulta chor kotwal ko date. Today that is the proverb that fits well on Mr. Kejriwal. And see, again he has delayed the leaving of Sheesh Mahal. Now he's saying that I will leave after Shraddh. That means till 3rd October. So he does not want to leave Sheesh Mahal. That is very evident. He wants to continue to stay there, and therefore his people first said that he'll leave in 1 week. Now he's saying I'll leave by 3rd October when Shraddh ends. So this kind of shifting of goalposts shows that he wants to enjoy the powers of CM, but he does not want to take the responsibility, and therefore Manmohan Singh of Delhi, meaning Atishi, has been given to the people of Delhi. The real CM is being controlled from the behind, which Mr. Kejriwal is doing. He's controlling Atishi. She's just the face. He is the real person who will be running Delhi in this way.
Okay, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal also invoked the Anna Hazare movement, and he said that he joined politics to ensure that politics is clean and he is not greedy for power or money. Shehzad, thank you for joining us. Let's also go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us. Tejshri, Arvind Kejriwal, in a dramatic turn of events, had decided to resign. Atishi takes over as the chief minister. Now Kejriwal going to the people, and he claims that this is Janta Ki Adalat that he is going to face.
Well, absolutely, this was his first Janta Ki Adalat that was held today at Jantar Mantar, and in fact not just one but in fact several points he chalked out while addressing the people of the national capital, and in fact this particular stage was also used as the first political campaign for the national capital's elections, because remember that in the last he held that symbol of Aam Aadmi Party, which is Jhadu, and appealed to the people of the national capital to vote for them, number one. Number two, he also sought for the certificate of truth from the people, the Imandari ka certificate to what they call, and in fact he also had strongly attacked BJP so as to how they hatched the conspiracy, and in fact not just the BJP but directly made an attack on the Prime Minister. And apart from that, he also mentioned about the Anna Andolan, about how the party was made out of a movement, and also about the contribution of several leaders, and in fact also patted the back of Manish Sisodia. But all in all, in fact, if we have a look at Arvind Kejriwal's speech, yes, it was in fact the first speech of Arvind Kejriwal in Janta Ki Adalat that could also be seen with a political lens for Aam Aadmi Party, because certainly Delhi is inching closer towards the elections, and in fact also remember the 5 major questions that he had asked to the RSS chief. In fact, that was the most important part of the speech, where he had asked 5 questions to the RSS, and in fact he also questioned the working of the BJP, the politics that BJP is playing, and how in fact he also alleged that how the agencies are being used nothing but just as the puppet of the BJP, and they are working at their behest. The comments made by their senior leaders. So all in all, these were the statements. These were the 5 questions that he had put forward in front of RSS. Now what we are expecting is that a huge political war of words that is going to break out in the national capital, because certainly BJP is going to respond to all these allegations that Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal, who is currently the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, will be leveling up. Number 2, important to notice that he also mentioned about him leaving his chief minister's residence, leaving the CM house, and also in fact staying with the people of the national capital. He also said that he has no house as of now, and after the Shraddhs get over, post that he will be living with the people of the national capital. So that will be very interesting to see that after leaving his residence at Civil Lines Flag 6 Flagstaff Road, where he stays, and number 3, how BJP responds to all these allegations, to all these questions and to all these controversy. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Teji, stay with us. In fact, it was a politically loaded speech by the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Also, in fact, questioned the RSS chief, and he put out several questions in his address as well. He asked, is Prime Minister Modi's attempt to break up parties to form government in the states right? He claims that this is the attempt by the BJP, going on to say that the Prime Minister has inducted corrupt leaders into the BJP, asking if the RSS agrees with this type of politics, asking if the RSS condones the path that the BJP is following under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. In fact, he also made a mention of the statement of JP Nadda, saying JP Nadda had recently said that the BJP no longer needs the RSS. So what does the RSS have to say about that? Asking the RSS chief if he agrees with Amit Shah that the 75 retirement rule does not apply to Prime Minister Modi. So several questions that have been raised by Arvind Kejriwal